This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes.
Hello everyone and welcome to this course. And in this course, we're going to learn about the Premiere Pro basics and more. This course is for absolute beginners and it is very easy to follow and you'll learn Premiere Pro very easily. Now the things that you will learn in this video regarding Premiere Pro is the Premiere Pro interface, the project panel, source panel, sequence and timeline panel, selection, move, forward and backward tool, ripple, rolling and braid stretch tool, razor and remix tool, pen, rectangle, ellipse and polygon tool, slide tool and slip tool, type tool, hand tool and zoom tool. Then putting multiple videos in one scene, reverse a video, changing the audio tone for a video, linear wipe for triangle, videos, denoise, cinematic view, removing green screen from a video. After you have completed this course, you'll acquire the basics of using Premiere Pro and you will pretty much know everything you need to do for creating a normal video. That is all for this video and I hope I'll see you in the next few lessons.